Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question, does Bluehost work in Australia? If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to head on over to bluehost.com here. Now this is the official website for Bluehost. Alright, if you've been wondering if Bluehost works in Australia, you're in the right place. I'm going to cover everything you need to know about using Bluehost from down under, from performance to pricing, support and more. Okay, Bluehost is one of the most popular web hosting platforms worldwide, but the big question is, does it offer the same level of service and performance for users in Australia as it does in other parts of the world? First off, let's talk about performance. While Bluehost servers are located in the US, it's important to note that they still offer solid speeds for Australian users. They utilize content delivery networks or CDNs like Cloudflare, which help deliver your content faster to visitors no matter where they are, including Australia. So whether you're setting up an online store, a blog, or a portfolio site, you can expect good performance even from overseas. Now let's talk about pricing. So I'm going to head over the pricing tab here of Bluehost. The good news, Bluehost pricing structure is available in Australian dollars, making it easy to understand your costs. So you can see here, these are the current prices of this recording. I will leave a link in the description to even get better savings than this as well. So they offer the same plans and features to Australian users, including their popular shared hosting, WordPress hosting, and even e-commerce solutions. Their introductory prices are competitive and you get access to their full range of features like free SSL certificates, a free domain for the first year, and a 30-day money back guarantee, which is great for peace of mind. Alright, so support is another key factor. Bluehost offers 24/7 customer support, but since their team is mostly based in the US, you might wonder about the response times. While live chat and phone support are available around the clock, you may experience slight delays if you're reaching out during Australian daytime hours. That said, their knowledge base and online resources are really extensive, so you can find answers quickly even if you're working on your site in the middle of the day. So does Bluehost work in Australia? Absolutely. While the servers are based internationally, the performance is still reliable, and with the CDN in place, your website will load quickly for Australian visitors. Pricing is transparent in AUD and support is available 24/7, making a solid choice for users down here. If you're interested in checking it out, like I've said earlier, I've got a link in the description below that will take you to Bluehost with the latest discounts. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.